Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the ROBOROCK S20 showing as offline in the app. First, make sure you're close to the router. If you're far away it will show offline and you'll need to move the router closer to the robot or vice versa. If it's close enough or you think it is, try rebooting both your robot and your router. Routers are rebooted differently, but the easiest way is to unplug it from power and plug it back in after a minute. For the robot, remove it from the station to turn it off. Press and hold the power button until it says turning off, then wait a moment. When the lights are off, press and hold the power button again. Once the lights start blinking, release the button and wait until it starts, indicated by a chime. If that didn't help, you may need to reconnect your device with the app. Check out our video on how to connect it with the ROBOROCK app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.